Hello dear subscribers, I just checking latest issues, so happened to me it's just with language, so I can't switch between two different languages on my computer, so I also decided to find how to fix it. So for fixing that you just need to go to control panel. After you just need to open clock, language and region. Here you just need to tap on change date and time. So after here you just need to tap on keyboard and languages, just tap on change keyboard. So after here you just need to remove one keyboard and just add it again. Also you can check here in advanced key settings, so what you need to tap to change your keyboard to another one. So just try to remove and add language again and just check this thing for switching it. So here you can see that in my situation it's Ctrl and Shift. So hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.